The creation of curved corners on breakfast bars and worktops is easily achieved with the factory supplied curved edging. Let's see how it's done. You will need a jig and a router with a 30mm bush guide and a 25mm PCD cutter. Position the jig on top of the worktop, aligned with the front edge and 15mm in from the side. Cut into the worktop with a full height cut to avoid stepping in the joint. Set the router to a 2 to 3mm depth and follow the full curve and length of the jig. Then plunge in increments of 12mm until the full cut is complete. De-rag the cut edge and dry fit the curved edging strip to make sure of a good tight fit. Clean all surfaces with denatured alcohol. Apply adhesive to the joint and clamp or secure with fibre tape and then leave to dry. Finishing is firstly achieved by trimming, then using the 3mm roundover bit to restore the factory edge on the top, bottom and sides as needed. Finally finish with a random orbital sander going up through the grits. Position the jig onto the worktop, similar to the single curve, and follow the same procedure to remove the first curve. The second curve requires the worktop to be turned over, face down, align the front edges of the jig with the cut edge and clamp. This allows the router blade to cut into the front edge. Following the same cutting process as before to create the second curve. Once cut, de-rag, dry fit and check for a really good tight fit. Clean the surfaces with denatured alcohol, then glue and clamp or tape as before. Finally, trim excess material, round over any edges and finish as before with the random orbital sander. Then clean and seal.